Come on, guys. You guys are way too slow. Chuck, you're too fast. You gotta realize that we have trouble like running fast. Why did I have to come again? Well, because you technically count as a parent, and to enter the pool, you need like a special like card thing. So, is that why you told me to bring the Google Play card?
Maybe.
Well, Chuck, can we get to the pool already? I want to go in the Wawa. Do you mean water? Yeah, I mean water, not Wawa. Oops, I forgot my towel. Finally, you guys finally made it to where I was. You guys are so slow. Come on. Whee! Wow. Yeah. Oh, this is so fun. Chuck, you didn't tell me it was gonna be cold. It's a pool and it's summertime. Of course it's gonna be cold. Bomb, do you think it's cold?
I think Bomb died.
Chuck, you did not tell me there were jet skis. Wait, what? There are jet skis? Yes! I'm gonna go right on one. I need like money or something, like I don't know how much you have to pay. Well, we're in the water, so you have to go to the towels. You know what, I'm just gonna steal one. Bye! Whoa, they're so fast. I wanna get one. Aw, why is mine slow? Maybe because it's not a jet ski. Wait, where are the jet skis? There's one right next to you. Is it this? Yeah, dumb face. Hey, don't call me dumb face.
Hey, you guys have to pay for those!
Ugh, why didn't he go in the voice changer?
That's it! You guys are getting kicked out! Right? Ah!
What? Luigi, why'd you get us kicked out? Ha, bomb fell. Okay, guys. Time to go home. Ugh. Wow, you guys really had to kick us out, right? Thanks for the towel, Chuck. Wow, what a fun adventure we had. You're right, Luigi. That was fun.